How to upload photos to Google Drive and share link. Let's get right into the video. First, you want to open your Google Drive, and this is the homepage of your Google Drive. Now you want to tap on Files. As soon as you do that, you'll enter to this page, and then you want to tap on plus sign, which is on the bottom right corner. Now from here, you want to tap on Upload. As soon as you do that, a pop-up will appear where you want to tap on Photos and Videos. Now from the screen, you want to choose any of the photo that you want to upload, and then you want to tap on Upload on the top right corner. It may take a little time to upload. As soon as the picture is uploaded, you want to go and tap on it. You can see the picture is uploaded now. To share, you want to tap on the three dots on the top right corner. As soon as you do that, a pop-up will appear, and then you want to tap on Share. After that, you want to tap on three dots again on the top right corner. Then you want to go ahead and tap on Manage Access. After you do that, you want to copy link by tapping on top right corner. As you can see, link has been copied to clipboard in the bottom. So now to share, you want to go to any of the browser or any of the person's chat and go ahead and paste on it. For example, I'm going to open Safari, and in the search box, I'm going to paste the link that I've just copied. And when I go ahead and tap on search or go, the link will appear and this Google Drive will open. And that is how you can upload a photo on Google Drive and share link. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.